The floods of 2022 caused severe devastation in Pakistan, with impact on every aspect of life to those affected. As the phases of rescue and relief started to give way to efforts of rehabilitation, Mari Energies joined hands again with our implementation partners, Comprehensive Disaster Response Services, CDRS, to help the deserving communities of Balochistan. Of special significance were areas of District Much, owing to high security concerns in these areas. The assessment of damage and plans to undertake rehabilitation were challenging but vital to properly formulate the appropriate solutions for intervention. Based on comprehensive analysis, the decision was made to prioritize house construction to facilitate and rehabilitate the affected families of these areas. These new structures were designed to be able to withstand conditions of any further flooding. Each of these houses now utilizes a proper structure with monitored and scaled materials, developed using methodologies favoring resistance to potential climate-related disasters. This community is now very happy and thankful to Mari Energies and our partner CDRS for their support in this regard.
तकरीबन 6-7 फैमिलियों और 2022 ना सैलाब सुने ना उरा मुराते को डैमेज करे नहीं और माड़ी कंपनी ना बहुत शुक्रिया अदा किया कि नाने दा लो तफे ने तो सुने उना बहुत शुक्रिया कि पेट्रोलियम माड़ी कंपनी ना।
मेरा नाम जुबैर अहमद है। हम 2 भाई हैं। हम लोगों का वालिद साहब फौत हो गया है और उनका पेंशन है 30 से 35 हज़ार तक। 2022 के सैलाब में हम लोगों के घर डैमेज हो गए थे और माड़ी एनर्जी कंपनी ने हमें ये घर बना के दिया है। हम लोग माड़ी एनर्जी कंपनी के बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं।
माड़ी एनर्जी कस्तेन अंगी गुजारिश अंगी बात मेहरबानी को मतावन कोई अंगी शुक्रिया अदा करूँ।